API versus SDK. API, Application Programming Interface, and SDK, Software Development Kit, are essential tools in the software development world, but they serve distinct purposes. Let's talk about API. An API is a set of rules and protocols that allows different software applications and services to communicate with each other. 1. It defines how software components should interact. 2. Facilitates data exchange and functionality access between software components. 3. Typically consists of endpoints, requests, and responses. API is like a waiter in a restaurant. Just as a waiter takes your order to the kitchen and brings your food back to you, an API takes requests from one software application, like your order, and communicates with another application or system, like the kitchen, to retrieve the information or perform an action you requested. Let's talk about SDK. An SDK is a comprehensive package of tools, libraries, sample code, and documentation that assists developers in building applications for a particular platform, framework, or hardware. 1. Offers higher-level abstractions, simplifying development for a specific platform. 2. Tailored to specific platforms or frameworks, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance on that platform. 3. Offer access to advanced features and capabilities specific to the platform, which might be otherwise challenging to implement from scratch. Think of it like a toolbox that contains everything a developer needs to build an application tailored to a particular system or environment. This can include things like code samples, APIs, debugging tools, and often specialized software components. By providing these resources, an SDK streamlines the development process, making it easier for developers to create a software that interacts with a specific platform or utilizes particular features. It essentially serves as a bridge between the developer and the platform, enabling them to focus on building their application without needing to worry about the underlying complexities of the platform itself. The choice between APIs and SDKs depends on the development goals and requirements of the project. Over to you, which do you find yourself gravitating towards? APIs or SDKs? Every implementation has a unique story to tell. What's yours? Comment your answer. Please follow and share Hacker Vogue.